Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I'm sitting with the famous, sexy Slavic.
What's up, bratans?
How's it feel? The last time you didn't have a baby yet.
Yeah, now we are modern couple who has adopted a baby, brother.
Modern family.
Modern family, yes.
What do you think is going to happen now with FOMOC and the Fed? And are you long or short?
I'm right now in short, but it's obviously very, very risky right now. Very nice flowers. I'm now.
Why are you distracted?
What?
Why are you distracted all of a sudden?
Huh? Because I'm very excited of the Fed meeting, you know.
Yeah, I can see the Fed meeting exciting you.
So yes, I'm long right now, and it's expected to raise by 75 basis points. And if they raise by 75 basis points, we will see pump. If they raise by 100 basis points, we will see dump. But we will see pump because Joe Biden, this old grandpa, said, "Let's go. I have to pump the market because on the 8th November is midterm election." So I guess it will be pump. So I jumped into a long position right now.
The meeting is in at 10 p.m. So
In
one and a half hours.
Yeah. You are long?
I've been just buying spot Bitcoin.
Yeah, this is also very intelligent. I'm buying Ethereum a lot. But be very careful with trading right now before the Fed meeting, because usually what they do high volatility to liquidate all the longs and all the shorts, and then it pump or dump, depends on what they're saying. But usually they liquidate, they make there's a very high volatility up and down before it chooses a direction.
So the title of this video will be Bitcoin High Volatility Incoming.
Yeah.
Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin, and I'm an advisor. So if you don't know, I'm an advisor to 5 projects. I'm a seed investor in 40 crypto startups, and I'm the founder of MagicCraft. And one of the projects that I'm advising, they made a derivatives of sports players. It's going to be ASX, the token. It's about to launch on Bitmart in 1 hour from now. I'm going to show you a trailer of this as well. I don't know how we'll do in the markets, but this is a good project that I'm advising, and I'm backing them because you have to do your own due diligence, consult your financial brokers, not financial advice. But I am advising this project, and I like them very much. These guys are old legacy exchange owners as well, so they built old exchanges. They're from old exchanges, worked in big exchanges, and now they're coming over building their own derivatives market, which is like building their own stock market or crypto market. And it's going to launch on Bitmart. It's ASX. I'm going to show you a trailer of this. Let's jump into Bitcoin. I'm going to buy $1,000 of MCRT as I've been doing. 1,000 MCRT is the only thing green in the markets today. The rest of the market quite dumping before this FOMOC meeting, which is interesting. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in the market. This is what I'm talking about. MCRT is only green in the entire market. Like literally, it's the only green. MCRT is up 1%. Everything else is red in the market. Look at this. Red. Dogecoin down 8.9%. Shiba down 6.9%. Sand down 5%. Axie down. The gaming tokens, play to earn game, also down. MCRT is up 1%. That's beautiful. Dogecoin getting hammered. It's come back down to that monthly support and bounced off it. Look at that, perfectly bouncing off this monthly support at 12 cents, but it's fading unless Elon can pump it again. But we do have a trend line here. I'll go into Bitcoin after this Doge. We do have a trend line here, so most likely Doge will come down to here, around 12.5. So that's a support that you could expect that Doge bounces off. It could do something like that, like bounce like this, and then bounce off it. But it is coming down a little bit more, but a support line is incoming. So we have a support here. At this point here would be a strong one, 12.6. So let's go into Bitcoin. Bitcoin is about even before the Fed. 4 hourly, it's underneath, it broke underneath that trend line. Look at that. It's underneath the trend line now. Slightly underneath it. It didn't close the trade that we had before. It came very close. Look at that liquidation candle. It came very close, but didn't hit our stop loss yet. And now the trade is slightly down from earlier today. Going into what I would recommend is wait till the Fed announces before opening a trade. It does look oversold on the 4 hourly, turning to head up. Let's see what the indicator bot, Bitcoin indicator bot, is saying. It's saying to sell. Let's see on the daily. On the daily, it's saying to sell as well. So it's not saying to buy it. And let's see, Crypto Guru bot is saying to buy, and it's been buy for a while now. Look at that, and it perfectly called that buy actually. Look at that movement from the buy. I would be going long here going to the FOMOC, but best is wait till they make an announcement. If they do 0.5 or 0.75 or under, you can go long. If they do above, go short. So you could wait, because what could happen if they say that it's 1%, if they're more hawkish on their Fed in the rate, if they go stronger on the rate, then we could expect a huge dump down, like boom, like this. So be prepared for that. So, but if they say 0.75 or 0.5, then we could get a pump. It is on a support line here, but it's slightly losing it. I would wait till the Fed meeting. So again, if the Fed meeting comes up and it's 0.75 or under, you can go long, targeting 21,200. If they say it's above 0.75, boom, it will drop down to 19,000. So the best risk reward is actually dropping down to 19,000 actually. So opening a short from here would actually be the best move. But again, Biden election soon, the midterms. So it's a little bit risky. This is not a confirmed trade. I would wait till it does it, but the highest risk, the highest reward is a short here, because it's much more profitable than going. Because you could, if they do a good result on the FOMOC, it will go up to 21,200. But if they say something extremely hawkish, then boom, it will drop down to 19,000. So I'd actually take it short here from here. I would open a short, $160 potential risk to make $1,387 potential gain. With 10x leverage, that'll be $13,870 gain. An 8.67 risk to reward ratio trade. The trade would open where we are. Just underneath 20,300. Actually, it's dropping. The trade would open where we are. Stop loss at 20,581. Take profit at 19,033. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin right now. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath this video, in the description of this video, so down below in the description, you can go down there. Everyone go down, click on this, sign up to Bybit. You get a $4,450 bonus when you sign up to Bybit and start trading using that link. You have to go down, click this link, sign up, and you can also buy MCRT now on Bybit. And now I'm going to do my daily $1,000 buy. You can see here on Bybit, MCRT is now under new tokens. So you go new and you can see MCRT slightly down today. I'm going to buy $1,000 worth at the current price. So $1,000 gets me $1,000 gets me 117,000 MCRT. $1,000 gets me 117,000 MCRT on Bybit. Click buy, and now my order is filling. And I've bought around $70,000 or more $100,000 actually worth of MCRT in the last few days. So MCRT, that order is going through, which is beautiful. That's what's happening on Bitcoin. And let's see what else we got. Tournaments are about to start. We got some announcements for MagicCraft. So MagicCraft, attention MagicCraft VIP testers, our MCRT tournament kicks off tomorrow at 4 p.m. Join our Telegram group to see information how to get $108,000 MCRT prize. So the MCRT tournaments begin tomorrow, which is beautiful. And now I'm going to show you ASX is about to list on Bitmart. Important notice, ASX Bitmart IEO now scheduled for 5 p.m. UTC. Check that out, ASX. I have a trailer for this. This is a trailer. You have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. This is a trailer of their project.
What makes an athlete truly exceptional? Today, we have insight on performance like never before. Because sport today is driven by data. With All Stars Digital, you can capture that data, then trade your players and earn from their real-life performances. All using the All Stars coin, a new digital currency that's enabling a sports staking revolution. Let's play the game like it's really played, with a single index price that goes up and down.
So what it is, it's what you're doing with what their token does, what their platform does, is it allows derivatives trades or trades on players, sports stars, football stars. So you can trade Messi, and based off his stats, if Messi's a good player, his stats will increase, and your trade you can even leverage will go up based off Messi's performance. So it's like a derivatives. They made kind of like a stock market or crypto market. That's why I advised them, because when they told me it's technology, I find it amazing. But again, you have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button. ASX is on Bitmart at 5 p.m. UTC, and the tournaments on MagicCraft start soon, so you can join in the tournaments. The beta is already live. You go to beta.magicraft.io, which is epic. Let's look into, actually, I want to check out the stock market. And again, so that's Bitcoin. Let's see if it drops. It wouldn't be nice if it drops. Let's see if the total market cap tells us anything. Market cap? Total market cap. It's bullish, the total market cap. It's making a bull flat. Total market cap.
But and you know why?
It's making bull flag.
You know why?
Why?
Look, the dollar is in a rising wedge. And if this breaks the rising wedge,
DXY?
yeah.
That's bull flaggy.
If this breaks down,
then the market's
it's a bearish pattern. Then we see high pump in the Bitcoin price and altcoins.
But then our USD drops.
Doesn't matter, but
I love our USD.
dollar, you love the dollar?
I love the dollar. Now the dollar gets you more than €1.
Yeah,
now when you go to Europe,
it's crazy,
it's
man.
so cheap. Like if you have
Fuck.
dollars,
I have so much.
if
euro.
you're European, yeah, you're from Europe. He's a famous German TV star. You're getting paid all in euro.
Yes, blood. I hope they will increase the interest rates in Europe, blood.
That means if you held Bitcoin, even though the market's dumped, you're actually like up 20-30% if compared to if you held the euro.
Sure.
So you didn't actually lose that much. It's like Bitcoin only dropped 40% from the all-time high. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you all again tomorrow.